Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn in one of the easy programming language. This will be the first video of the series, and in fact this is the first video of our new channel. Uh, so if we are here to learn a easy programming language, then you are at the right place. So what is the programming language that is pretty easy? We have C, C++, we have Java, then we have .NET. What else? There are a lot of stuffs out there, right? But out of that, what is the easiest one, right? So let's understand what is the easy programming language. That is nothing but Python, right? So in this video, we will just start with a very basic introduction to Python, right? And later on in the series, I will deep dive with programs, other basic functionalities, variables, functions, loops, and other concepts, right? We will cover later on. So, like the big companies, right? Google, if I name some of them, right? Google, Netflix. In today's date, they are using pretty much Python, right? Which is very easy and powerful, right? So when I say easy, right, it's kind of, I mean, the syntactically and programmatically, it is pretty easy compared to if I compare with Java, it is pretty easy, right? And powerful, it has a lot of features like it is like platform independent. If I name one of them, right? Let's say I have written a Python program in Windows, I can take that same Python program, copy paste into a Mac OS, and it will run, right? Or you do a copy paste in Linux, it will run. Okay, that that much powerful it is, and it is having a lot of what do you say, those packages and uh, yeah, methods, functions, lot of inbuilt stuffs are there. So, as I said, right, if you want to learn a new and easy programming language, then you are at the right place. That is Python. Okay. What is Python then? Python is nothing but as a high level programming language, right? And it is used to build software, AI systems, websites, right? Then automation tools. It is Python is also used as a scripting language, right? So for our automation purposes, also we use Python. Mostly, you will see right in data analysis and DevOps side. Not many places Python is vastly used as on date. Okay. Then, in simple words, if I define Python, right, it's something like Python lets you tell a computer what to do using easy to read code, right? That's what Python, in the simplest form, the definition of Python is. Now, why Python is popular, right? As on date, as we discussed, It's easy to learn. It has a huge community base, right? Then rich in libraries, as I told, right? Then it's versatile, which we discussed as part of the platform independent, right? Thousands of ready-made libraries available. Okay, works in many fields. Okay, as we discussed, right? Data science, DevOps, AI area, everywhere it is used. As we discussed, you can build websites and backend systems also using Python. You can analyze data, create visualization, and work with big data, right? That covers your data science part, right? Um, as we discussed, right? Then it is also used in AI and ML space, okay? Uh, like artificial intelligence to build smart systems like chatbots and recommendations, okay? Predictions, all those stuffs. It is also used, as we discussed, in automation field as well, right? To automate repeated or manual tasks, right? Which saves your time, okay? Manual saves your manual effort and all, right? As we discussed, it also used in the space of DevOps and cloud, like to deploy applications, manage services, servers, and all. Okay? Automating when you write DevOps part of code. At some places, we also use Python scripting. Okay, so these are all the areas where Python is used. We also learned why Python is popular. We learned the simplest definition of Python, right? It tells your computer what to do using easy to read code. Then we learned what is Python. Python is a high-level programming language which is used to build AI systems, websites, backend development, DevOps area, cloud area, ML area, right? Automations and everything. And if you want to learn something new and easy to learn programming language, then Python is the first thing to go for that, right? And believe me, when we are in 2026, Python is trending. So in upcoming videos, as I told, we will learn more stuff related to Python, right? We will first understand when Python was developed, right? Why the name Python? Who developed Python? If it is open source or not, right? And like, oh, if I compare with Java, why Python is better than Java, right? And then we will continue with some basic variables, then your loops, if statement, right? Conditions, functions, and other stuff. As we will proceed as we proceed with the series, we will learn most of the stuff. So I'll try to keep each video smaller so that you are not overloaded, right? And we'll make it like as if I am also learning, and same way I will also cover in the videos, right? So that you also get a real time feeling. So just a small glimpse how a simplest Python line of code looks, right? It's like this, right? If you want to print hello, comma world, then you can simply write print hello comma world within double quotes. So, I mean, in upcoming videos, as I told, I deliberately am not showing here in any of the IDs and all. So you will first install Python, then we will use those IDs. Okay, then when we start with programs. Okay, so I would request you all to please do comment and like the video. Please share the video. Who all want to learn as a beginner the easiest programming language, right? Which is trending as on date. So please subscribe. Keep on. Press the bell icon so that whenever we publish new videos, you get notified. Okay. Please keep an eye on this space. See you in the next video. Thank you.